Today we're going to show you how to make this waxed canvas Dopp kit. Welcome back to Sailrite Workbench. This travel bag is an essential accessory for anyone on the go. It's compact, portable, and designed to hold your personal grooming items. Whether you're traveling for business or you're on vacation, this bag is a must-have to ensure you maintain your routine wherever you go. For this project, we will use Durawax waxed canvas, Cordura fabric, Tex 90 thread, scrap leather, leather cement, leather dye, edge coat, gum trag, needs foot oil, a continuous metal zipper chain, a metal zipper slider, 4 zipper stops, and rivets. Here are all the tools and materials we will be using for this project. We've linked them all in the description below. And today, we will be sewing with the Sailrite fabricator using the left zipper foot. Take your Durawax and Cordura and cut both materials into 18-inch by 14.5-inch rectangles. Next, we are going to cut our handle, tab, and zipper pull. We are going to make these out of leather, but you can choose whatever material you like. The dimensions are listed on the screen, and our zipper pull looks like this. The exact dimensions of your zipper pull may differ depending on what kind of zipper you use. We'll start by conditioning our leather with needs foot oil. Once that is dry, we will then dye the leather. Now let's set those pieces aside to dry and we'll come back to it later. Next, take the zipper chain and trim the zipper to fit the 14.5-inch side of the rectangle. Once the zipper is cut to size, separate the zipper. Using basting tape, lay one side of the zipper facing inward on top of the Durawax canvas and repeat this step to the other side. Just a quick reminder, make sure the teardrops on your zipper chain are pointing the same way so it zips up properly. Now place the basting tape on top of both zipper flanges and take the Cordura and place it wrong side down on top of the basting tape, sandwiching the zippers in between. Then let's head over to the sewing machine and sew the zipper and fabric together using the left zipper foot. Sew each short end of the rectangle. Make sure you repeat this process on the other side. After both sides are sewn, flip the rectangle inside out. With your Durawax facing up, top stitch on each side of the zipper. Using your ruler, measure and mark the halfway point between the zippers. We do this to make sure the zipper is straight in future steps. Before you install the sliders onto the zipper chain, add 2 zipper stops to one end of the chain. Using wire cutters, remove the second to last tooth. Then using needle nose pliers, press the stops together on the zipper flanges. Repeat this process on the other side. Now install the slider upside down. I like to use the Sailrite zipper jig when installing sliders because it makes the process so much easier. Once the slider is installed, Now you can install top stops on the other end of the zipper. To do this, pull apart only a few teeth and install the stops the same way you did in the previous step. After the stops are installed, make sure the zipper is lined up correctly. We do so by folding the zipper onto the center marks we made previously. Using the fabric clips, clip the zipper in place aligned with the center marks. You can also clip the sides for extra security. Next, measure a 1.5 by 2 inch rectangle on all 4 corners. Using scissors, cut out the rectangles. Before moving on, let's go back to our leather pieces. They should be dry now. We will sand, bevel, and burnish them. To give the edges a cleaner look, we are going to apply edge coat. This will also seal the edges of the leather. Once the edge coat is dry, we can start sewing. Now take the 4 inch by 1 inch finished leather piece and fold it in half. Then slip it in between both layers of Durawax. Make sure it is centered with the zipper and use clips to secure it. Now let's get sewing. Since the zipper is metal, backstitch right before the zipper teeth. Then lift the machine foot and move it over the zipper. Now drop the foot and continue sewing. Repeat this process on the other side. Now we need to sew where we cut the corners. To do so, fold the opening to be horizontal so it meets up with the other side and use clips to hold it in place. Repeat this process on the remaining corners. After all the sides are clipped, sew each side and don't forget to backstitch. Then flip the bag inside out. Now let's add our leather handle. Using a rotary hole punch, punch 2 holes on the opposite sides of the closed zipper. Now punch 2 holes on either end of the leather handle piece. And add rivets to hold the bag and the leather together. Then with the rivet installation tool, set the anvil on the inside of the bag and set the rivets with the maul. Take the zipper pull and fold the leather over the zipper pull. Then glue the 2 sides together using leather cement. Once again, you can modify the leather accents and make them your own, whether you use leather or any other materials of your choice. This step is optional, but you can apply edge coat to clean up where the 2 pieces of leather meet. Finally, you have a travel bag that's ready to go wherever you go. If you want to see more DIYs, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification so you never miss out. Follow us and tag us on social if you decide to make one yourself. We'd love to see it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.